Foundation, and they gracefully accepted my grants. And so partial funding from the Morton Community Foundation and MHS administration paid for some of it as well. The first round of the books were gifted from Ms. Ripka, and I'm going to continue to apply for grants to restock the vending machine. So at this point, our goal is to start small and just give about 10 teachers coins to distribute, and then hopefully move on for more teachers to have coins. And it's not based on behavior or grades or anything like that. It is simply just to get books in the hands of students.
So I was the first student to get to use the book vending machine that's behind me, and I selected a poetry book by Amanda Gorman, which I'm super excited to read, and I'm super excited and honored to be the first student to use it, and I'm super excited that this will get to be in our library for students to use throughout the coming years.